Guys, this is Natasha Plays. So we're playing Tower of Hell and Slap Tower and Bomb Slap Tower. So guys, I almost paused the voiceover. So let's search Tower of Hell. So guys, I paused it, right? So I'm gonna rate this, guys. Oh, I'm such a noob at towers, guys. Let's, guys, I paused the vid, so that's what I meant. It's not a loop, guys, because I'm just a noob guy. Yeah, it's not a loop because I'm just a noob. You can see that in this video. So guys, I checked the list if my friends joined me. Because if my friends joined me, I'm gonna leave. So stay tuned, watch till the end. Guys, I'm gonna speed it. Oh, never mind, I can't. I'm at voiceover. So guys, I left because I was annoyed. So guys, this is a last one. So I'm gonna rate it, the slap tower, I'm gonna rate it a 6 out of 10, and the slap tower is 9 out of 10, and the Tower of Hell is 6 out of 10. So guys, bye.